Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve your website's health score using one of the most powerful SEO tools out there, SEMrush. If you want your website to rank higher on Google and deliver a better user experience, a good health score is crucial. So, grab your notepad and let's dive in. I included a link to a 14-day free trial of SEMrush waiting for you in the video description below. Take it for a spin, analyze your site's SEO, and see how easy it is to fix issues and boost your rankings. First things first, let's talk about what the website health score is. SEMrush calculates this based on your site's technical SEO performance. A higher health score means fewer errors and better overall structure, which search engines love. Today I'll walk you through how to run a site audit using SEMrush, identify the key issues affecting your score, and most importantly, how to fix them. Step 1. We need to run a site audit. Once you've logged into SEMrush, go to the Site Audit tool. If you haven't set this up yet, no worries. All you have to do is enter your domain, and SEMrush will begin crawling your site. Depending on how large your site is, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, but SEMrush will notify you when it's done. In the meantime, here's a quick pro tip. Make sure SEMrush is set to crawl your entire domain, not just your homepage. You can adjust this by going into the settings and selecting Crawl Subdomains. This ensures that every nook and cranny of your site is checked. Once the audit is complete, SEMrush will generate a detailed report. This report breaks down the issues on your site into 3 categories: errors, warnings, and notices. Errors are the most critical, followed by warnings, and notices are more like recommendations. Here's what each of these means. Errors. These are the most pressing issues that could severely impact your website's health score and SEO. These include things like broken links, server issues, or missing meta descriptions. Warnings. These aren't as critical as errors but still need attention. Examples include images missing alt attributes or too many internal links on a single page. Notices. These are minor recommendations for improvement, like optimizing your page for mobile or improving the structure of your H1 tags. Now, let's focus on the errors, as they'll have the most significant impact on your health score. One common error you might encounter is broken internal links. These are links on your site that lead to non-existent pages. To fix them, all you need to do is update or remove those links. Click on the Broken Links section to get a list of all the URLs that need fixing. SEMrush will show you exactly where the broken links are located on your site, so all you need to do is go in and either redirect those links to an active page or remove them entirely. Next up, we have warnings. One of the most common issues in this category is missing image alt attributes. This is an easy fix, but can significantly improve your SEO. Alt attributes help search engines understand what an image is about, so make sure every image on your site has a relevant alt description. In SEMrush, simply go to the Warnings tab, find the Missing Alt Text section, and update your images accordingly. This not only improves your health score, but also makes your website more accessible to users with visual impairments. Another big factor in your health score is site speed. SEMrush will flag any issues related to slow loading pages. Slow speed can harm both user experience and SEO rankings, so it's important to optimize this. Common speed issues include large image sizes, too many HTTP requests, or unoptimized JavaScript and CSS files. To fix this, you can start by compressing your images, enabling lazy loading, and minifying your CSS and JavaScript files. SEMrush provides you with specific recommendations and resources to speed up your site, so make sure to follow their guidance. Once you've addressed the errors and warnings, it's time to rerun the audit. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and keeping your website in top shape requires regular checkups. I recommend running a site audit at least once a month to stay on top of any new issues. By consistently monitoring and fixing these issues, you'll gradually see your health score improve, which will lead to better rankings and a smoother user experience. If you want to try out SEMrush, we've included a 14-day free trial link in the description. Check it out and see firsthand how easy it is to optimize your site like a pro. And that's it. Improving your website's health score with SEMrush isn't difficult, but it does require a bit of time and consistency. Whether you're fixing broken links, optimizing your images, or speeding up your site, these small changes add up to big improvements in your SEO. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more SEO tips and tools. Got any questions or need help with SEMrush? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.